In today's fast-paced business environment, efficiency and accessibility are paramount. This is particularly true when it comes to managing your finances. Gone are the days of cumbersome spreadsheets and locally installed software that tether you to a single computer. Cloud-based accounting solutions have emerged as a game-changer, offering flexibility, real-time data, and seamless collaboration. If you're exploring options for your business, you might have come across Kashoo. So, the burning question is Kashoo a cloud-based accounting solution? 1. www.speedyledgers.com www.speedyledgers.com. The straightforward answer is yes. Kashoo is indeed a cloud-based accounting software. This means that unlike traditional desktop software, Kashoo doesn't require you to install anything directly onto your computer. Instead, you access your accounting data and the software's features through an internet browser on any device, be it your laptop, tablet, or even your smartphone. This fundamental characteristic of being cloud-based unlocks a wealth of advantages for businesses of all sizes. To truly understand the implications of Kashoo being a cloud-based solution, let's delve deeper into what this entails and why it matters for your accounting needs. Understanding cloud-based software. At its core, cloud-based software resides on remote servers managed by the software provider, in this case, Kashoo. Your data isn't stored locally on your hard drive but securely on these servers. You interact with the software and your data through the internet. Think of it like accessing your email or online banking. The information isn't on your computer, but you can access it securely from anywhere with an internet connection. The benefits of Kashoo being cloud-based. For businesses seeking a modern and efficient approach to accounting, Kashoo's cloud-based nature offers several compelling advantages. Accessibility from anywhere, anytime. This is perhaps the most significant benefit. As long as you have an internet connection, you can access your Kashoo account. Whether you're at the office, working from home, or even traveling, you have real-time visibility into your financial health. This flexibility is invaluable for today's dynamic work environments. Imagine being able to quickly check your cash flow before making a crucial business decision, even if you're not physically in the office. Automatic updates and maintenance. Say goodbye to the hassle of manually installing software updates. With Kashoo being cloud-based, all updates, bug fixes, and new feature rollouts are handled automatically by Kashoo's team on their servers. This ensures you're always using the latest version of the software without any interruption to your workflow. This also eliminates the need for you to invest time and resources in IT maintenance related to your accounting software. Real-time data and collaboration. Cloud-based platforms facilitate real-time data synchronization. Any transaction or entry made by you or a team member is instantly reflected across all devices. This fosters better collaboration, especially if you have multiple people involved in managing your finances, such as bookkeepers or accountants. Everyone works with the most up-to-date information, reducing errors and improving decision-making. For instance, if a sales team member records an invoice, the finance team can see it immediately without waiting for manual reports. Enhanced security and data backup. While some might initially feel apprehensive about storing financial data in the cloud, reputable cloud providers like Kashoo invest heavily in robust security measures. This often includes advanced encryption, firewalls, and regular security audits. Furthermore, your data is typically backed up automatically and frequently on secure servers in multiple locations. This provides a significant advantage over local storage, where data loss due to hardware failure or other unforeseen events can be devastating. Kashoo employs industry-standard security protocols to safeguard your sensitive financial information. Scalability and flexibility. Cloud-based solutions are inherently scalable. As your business grows, you can typically adjust your subscription plan to accommodate increased transaction volumes and user needs without the need for significant infrastructure changes. This flexibility allows Kashoo to adapt to your evolving business requirements seamlessly. Whether you're a sole proprietor or a growing small business, Kashoo can scale with you. Cost-effectiveness. In many cases, cloud-based accounting software like Kashoo can be more cost-effective than traditional desktop software. Instead of a large upfront purchase cost, you typically pay a recurring subscription fee, which often includes software updates, maintenance, and support. This predictable monthly or annual expense can be easier to budget for, especially for startups and small businesses. Kashoo's specific cloud features. Beyond the general benefits of being cloud-based, Kashoo leverages this technology to offer specific features tailored to small businesses. Easy invoicing. Create and send professional-looking invoices online, track their status, and receive payments faster. Being cloud-based allows you to do this from anywhere you have internet access, even on the go. Expense tracking. Record and categorize business expenses efficiently, often by connecting your bank accounts and credit cards for automated transaction import. The cloud nature ensures these records are always accessible and up-to-date. Bank reconciliation. Streamline the process of matching your bank statements with your accounting records, improving accuracy and identifying discrepancies quickly. This can be done securely through online connections facilitated by the cloud. Reporting. Generate essential financial reports like profit and loss statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements. Being cloud-based means these reports can be generated in real time with the latest data. Collaboration tools. Depending on your subscription, you can often grant access to your accountant or other team members, facilitating seamless collaboration on your financial data in the cloud.